Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reprint checks in QuickBooks. First, sign in to your QuickBooks account and go to your main dashboard. From the left side of the screen, locate the menu panel. In that menu, click on the Expenses tab. After you click on Expenses, you will see a list of all your transactions. This includes checks, expenses, and other payments. You do not need to open or select any specific transaction from this list. At the top of the screen, look for the Print Checks option. Click on Print Checks. Once you click it, a new page will open where you can manage and print your checks. On this new page, you will see the list of available checks that can be printed. Find the check you want to reprint. Click on the checkbox next to that check to select it. After selecting the check, go to the bottom of the page and click on the Preview and Print button. This will open a preview window where you can review how the check will look when printed. If everything looks correct, proceed with printing. The check will then be printed. Thanks for watching.